Last night, Vietnam time, State President Lương Cường, together with nearly 150 heads of state, government leaders and senior representatives from many countries, attended the opening of the high-level segment of the 80th United Nations General Assembly under the theme Better Together, 80 Years and Beyond for Peace, Development and Human Rights. In his report on the global situation and the work of the United Nations, Secretary General Antonio Guterres noted that the world is moving toward a multipolar order and underscored the need for an effective multilateral system to avoid repeating the lessons that once led to war. He emphasized that the United Nations stands as a moral compass, a force for peace, a defender of international law, a driver of sustainable development, a guarantor of human rights, and an institution that translates global decision into concrete actions. Leaders of several countries highlighted that the international community should realign its priorities, including reducing military expenditures while increasing financial resources for sustainable development. Later today, State President Lương Cường is expected to deliver a speech carrying important messages, reaffirming Vietnam's role as a responsible member of the United Nations, proactively engaging and making active, substantive contributions to the organization's major activities and priorities, as well as to the international community at large.